Auzubillahi Minash-Shaytanir-Rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself at home. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Barrier Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C4. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day. How we start our day? In the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hands for dua. Dua for learning. That is Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lesson? Look at my screen. The first one is your maths workbook C4. One pencil and eraser. And some colors. Make sure you have all these things near to you so that you can do your work easily. What you are going to learn today? The first one is write number sentences for subtraction. As we have already done this concept, we are going to revise it. How we can make number sentences for subtraction. And the second one is write number sentences for given numbers. Let's do it. Look at my screen. Everyone open page number 3. Maths workbook C4, unit number 1 and page number 3. Everyone open it. Before doing this page, what we have to do? We always write today's date. What is the date today? Look at my screen. Today is 29/3/2021 space H.T again space and the day is Monday. M should be capital in Monday. And where you are going to write? Top of the page, touch with the line and start your day from the left corner of the page. After completing your date, you have to complete your missing numbers in the number line. Look at the number line and find out which numbers are missing. Exactly, first two numbers. What comes before 13? Yes, 12. And what comes before 12? 11. So write 11, 1, 1, 11. Then 1 to 12. Write here 11 and 12 and rest of the numbers are already written. 11 till 20. Complete your number line. Then look at the activity, and this is about magic 1.3 and this is about magic. What they are saying, count and cross the correct number of objects in each set. We have 3 sets of different objects and we have to count according to the given number sentences and then we will cross them. Yes, why we will cross here? Exactly, this is the concept of subtraction and we always cross the given numbers or object in subtraction, in concept of subtraction. So they are saying write the correct number in each box. Here are some boxes. We have to write the correct number. Let's start it. The first one is rabbit. How many rabbits are here? We have to count all rabbits. Then we will write in the given box. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 rabbits all together. So write number 15 in a first square box. 1, 5, 15. Then there is a sign of minus and there is written number 5. 15 minus 5 is equal to, yes, in this given box we will write the correct number. We will write the answer. So we need to cross 5 rabbits here. Let's cross them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I crossed 5 rabbits here because they are saying 15 minus 5 is equal to So count the leftover. How many rabbits are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rabbits are left here. I'm gonna write here number 10 here. Let's write here. The next one is magic wands. So let's count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 magic wands are here. So you are going to write number 18 in the first box. 1, 8, 18. Then there is a sign of minus. 18 minus, again there is an empty box, is equal to 11. Now here is written your answer, number 11. So we have to count till 11. So we will cross from the backward. Let's cross them. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, we will count like 18, 17, 16. Why I am counting like this? Because we have to stop till 11. So how we can know I crossed till 11? So we will count like 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and the next number is 11. I stopped till 12. It means 11 wands are left. So how many I crossed? Now I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crossed. Count the leftover. Are there 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I did correctly. Right here number is 7. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. Again the next one is magician cap, magician's hat. So count how many hats are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 hats are here. So write number 14 in the first box. 1, 4, 14 minus 5. They are saying cross 5. So cross 5 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the leftover. How many hats are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 heads are left. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Write number 9 in the given box. Then go to next page, page number 4. Everyone open this page, just turn your page. Write the same date top of the page, 29.3.2021 space H.T again space, and the day is Monday. M should be capital in Monday, and where you are going to write top of the page, touch with the line and start from your left corner of the page. After completing your date, you have to complete your number line, find out the missing numbers. 11, 12 is written. What comes after 12? 13. Excellent. Write 13, 1 through 13, and then 14. 1, 4, 14. Two numbers are missing here, 13 and 14. Complete your number line, then come on activity 1.4, and this is about floor clock. What they are saying, subtract and filling the boxes to complete the clock. As we told you, there are 12 numbers on a clock. So we have to write those 12 numbers while doing the subtraction, number sentences of subtraction. How we can make number sentences? Let's learn it. The first one is 10. Here is 10 minus, then there is a box. How many numbers we will cross? We will minus from 10 to get number 1. Excellent. 10 minus 9. I will write here number 9 in the box. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Where you are going to write, where there is a black line, you have to write their number of clock. And the next one is 7 minus. How many numbers we will minus from number 7 to get number 2? 7 minus 5. Excellent. Write number 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to, you can do it through your fingers. You can raise your 7 fingers, open your 7 fingers, then fold 5 fingers. And how many left? 2. Excellent. Write number 2. Where there is a black line, this one black line, you have to write 1 to number clock in front of black line. The next one is 5 minus. How many numbers we will minus from 5 to get number 3? Yes, 5 minus 2. Yes, I'm telling you again, you can do it through your fingers. Open your 5 fingers now, and we want 3 fingers. Then how we will fold or cross 2 fingers? How many fingers? Yes, 2 fingers. So write number 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now you can see we are doing in the sequence of clock 1, 2, 3. The next number is 4. Oh yes, you can do it like this. The next number is 4. We want number 4. So how many numbers we will minus from number 9? The next one is 9 minus, then there is empty box. You have to write the correct number. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Excellent. The next one is 6 minus 1. We want number 5. If I have 6 fingers, I am opening my 6 fingers, and now I am folding my 1 fingers. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write number 5. Again you can see there is a sequence of clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number is we want 6. So how many numbers we are going to cross? We are going to minus from number 12. Here is number 12. 12 minus, then there is empty box. So now you can make lines if you want. You can take you can take rough paper or loose paper, and you can make 12 lines there. And we want 6 lines. Leave the 6 lines, and you need to cross leftover lines except of 6, because we want 6 number now. So 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Good. Next one is 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. You can do it on a rough paper. Make 14 lines now and cross 7. Count the leftover lines, and these are 7 lines. Write number 7 here. The next number is 8. We want number 8 after 7. So there is 11 minus. Now make 11 lines and leave the 8 lines, and rest of the lines you will cross, and you will count how many lines you crossed, and that number you will write in the box, and that number is 3. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. And the next one is 13 minus. Now we want 9. 13 minus, so make 13 lines now and leave the 9 lines and cross leftover except of 9 lines, and those lines are 4, so you are going to cross 4 lines. So write number 4 in the box. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. The next one is 19 minus, and we want number 10 now. 19 minus 9 is equal to 10. And the next one is 15 minus, now we want number 11 here. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Now you will make 15 lines and cross 4 and count the leftover. Those lines are 11. And the last number is 17 minus. Now we want number 12 here. So make 17 lines and leave the 12 lines. Except of 12 lines, you will cross the leftover lines and count them. How many lines did you cross? You will write that number in the box. 17 minus 5. You crossed 5 lines here, and now count the leftover, and these lines are 12. Write number 12 in a top of the floor. This is how you can make number sentences for the given numbers. I hope it is easy for you. This is all about today's lesson. Stay home, stay safe. See you tomorrow, inshallah, in our live session. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.